And first up, I'm going to play a little video that we just shot of the SAMD 51 pretty pins. All right, Lady, what is this?
Hey, I wanted to work on some pretty pin stuff while the picking places are running. This is a SAMD 51, so what I've been doing is going through the massive data sheet and turning this table, massive table with all the different things you can do with every pin, into a spreadsheet so you can see every type of pin usage, and all the pin names are now in a pretty spreadsheet. And then I got it working with pretty pins so you can see every pin here has all of the counters and the PCC lines and the I2S, and if it has CAN bus and special capabilities and analog pins all labeled out so we can make these really beautiful Fritzing generated pretty pins diagrams for the SAMD 51 family.
Okay, and then I thought, so we posted this, here's a board that we're working on, and then I put the text in TikTok, so I'm just going to let TikTok say it.
QTPY with CH552 Ultra Low Cost Microcontroller. Any CH55X experts out there who want to take a look and see if we got it all wired right? Anything we missed?
So what is this, Lady Ada?
So this is a cutie pie, and I thought it would be interesting to make one with this CH552, which is this 8051, like ultra low cost, like 30-cent microcontroller, and I thought it would be kind of funny. This is a single-sided cutie pie that uses this chip. I've never used it, but I was like, well, what's the cheapest cutie pie you could make? And it would be like using this component. So, I just whipped it up on Tuesday, and I thought I'd post it up and see what people thought of it.
Okay, yeah, we have the schematic, and I did a blog post, and you can check out, and if you're an expert and you have lots of thoughts about this, now's your chance. And then we're working on the Cube project, so here's another preview of the latest and greatest. You can see very cubey.
Cubey things.
Yeah.
Just cubing.
Doing stuff and things. And that is this week's top secret. Okay.